This is where most operations live, in constant state of reactive chaos, right?
Yeah.
I mean, when data, look, data in and of itself doesn't have an inherent value, right? But when data is fragmented across
Right.
legacy systems,
Yeah.
right? Decision making slows down. It's just that simple. Reporting gets muddled. Performance bottlenecks can go unnoticed. This is where most operations live, in constant state of reactive chaos, right? And that is one of those places where a modern system that's highly configurable represents value. And whether it's multiple legacy systems, the likelihood that if you have a legacy operations management system, like an old maintenance or an old transaction processing or an older CRM kind of thing, spreadsheets, maybe some custom software, that kind of stuff, the data is trapped in those outdated, disconnected systems. And that leads to operational blind spots. It can lead to errors, rework, compliance risk, that kind of stuff. And I would say that operational control kind of goes through multiple phases, from reactive, entirely reactive, to reducing your reaction time. How quickly you're able to collect that data and turn it into information for decision support, that's critical. If it's within the hour, if it's within the day, as opposed to a weekly report or monthly report, an annual report, God forbid. By the time you've received that information, it's too late. All you can talk about is history, right? And you can't change history. And then you start hunting and pecking, trying to figure out how we're going to change the future. And by the time you find out whether your changes were effective, it's too late again to adjust those activities. It can be quite a trap.
Yeah.
Now, even better than reaction is, like reactive control being a short time frame, right? The reporting time frame from when the data is created from an operational execution or transaction to the point where you see that data in an informational context, collected into metrics against baselines and targets and that kind of stuff. That time frame is mission critical for decision support.
Yeah.
It's an even better achievement if you can go from reactive to preventive, when you start being able to see patterns